Welcome to my channel. Recently I made a video showing how you can wrap your soap with normal paper using this nice soap wrapping tool. Some people then asked how I design my labels, so this video is about how you can design your own soap labels. This is the tool that I got, by the way. It comes from TR's Essentials. The program I'm using to design the soap paper is called Canva. You will find a link to it in the description box below, and it is an online program. This is how it looks on your computer, but you can also find it as an application for your phone. But let's get back to the computer, desktop mode. So you will find a lot of templates depending on what you want to do, like for social media, business, and so forth. Very practical. You can also save your designs, like for example this is this soap wrapping paper, but then I also have recipe cards, and people who are a member of my Buy Me a Coffee page, they have free access to the recipe cards as well as to the product labels that I have designed, also with this program here, so that's really very handy. So back to the main page, we have the possibility to create a design, and you have also different sizes that you can make, like for example for a brochure, labels, flyers, and so forth. Now for our special design that we want to make today, we are going to use a normal A4 format. So I'm gonna choose this one, and then you can see that the page will open with some features that I'm going to go over now. First of all, you have uploads, so it means you can upload your own pictures. Then you have other photos. Let's see here, for example, I'm gonna type in a cake, and then you have different pictures. Some are free, some are pro. It means it comes with your pro subscription in Canva, but you have many free possibilities. So I'm gonna choose these muffins here, and I'm gonna shift it to the position where I want it to be. Then I have different possibilities here. For example, it says effects, and you have different kinds of effects. I'm just gonna show you a little bit, like pixels or different kind of things. I am not very interested in that for the moment, so we're just gonna go back to filters. Now filters, as you can see here, it gives just a filter to your photo, different styles, or if you wanted to have a different kind of hue, have it look a little bit more vintage style, and so forth. You can also adjust manually, like for example you have the tint, you can add or take it back. So you can, instead of applying a filter, you can apply each factor manually here, like the brightness, contrast, and so forth, which makes it really good, and you will get a feel for it, so you can really have a total control about how you want your picture to look. And then with this crop, you can just move it around to the position you want it to be. So I'm done. Here you can flip it. We're not gonna do that for this situation here. If you want to add some text, you can just click the text icon here, and then you will see many possibilities of text that are already like pre-made, and you can just choose them and add them to your photo or to your design, whatever it happens to be. Many styles, colors, and possibilities. Of course, you can change the size and so forth. So I'm choosing this one here. I like the look. And then you can just, by holding it and shifting it, you can shift the position here. I'm typing happy birthday. And of course, you can change the transparency of the picture, like so, making it more light or dark. Here I just change the color, just click the color icon, and then you can choose one color that is already there, or you have the possibility of choosing the color yourself by going over the color palette like so. I'm happy with this color here. Just want to make it a little bit bigger. You just hold it and drag it to make it bigger, and that's it, you're done. So I had my soap wrap paper here. The designs are saved, so I'm gonna open them. You can see them here. These are these papers that I used for the wrapping video that you can find here on my channel. I just printed it out on a bit smoother copy paper, but you can also use regular copy paper. I just cut it to size and then use the wrapping tool, and then it turns out like this, which I think it's totally cool and eco-friendly as well. So now let's have a look at how we can go about it and change this template that I have here to make a different kind of wrap paper. So here you can see you can delete or you can duplicate the page. So in this case I'm going to duplicate this page here, so I have the exact measurements that I need for this paper here. And then you could of course choose some elements to add to your design. Some are free, some come with the Pro subscription. So here I had a picture that I found before when I was looking for some flowers, and then I choose this picture and then I hold and drag so I can position it the way I want it to until it covers also the entire page. And then if you click crop, you can position it. As you like, basically. So I'm happy with this position here. Then I'm changing the name of the soap to Cherry Blossom. And I also changed the transparency to make it very light. And voila! Let's make another one, duplicate. It's very easy because you just duplicate and you can make another one. Let's see a roses. Also here you have free pictures. You have pictures that come with a Pro subscription. Very nice pictures, I have to say. Large variety as well. So there are many things that you can do also just with the free version, you know. Look at how beautiful these pictures are. So I'm choosing this one here, click on it, and then it appears here. I make it bigger by dragging it, just like we did before. I changed the position to backwards so you can read the title here, or the text. I changed the text to pink roses. You could also change the color of the text, of course, like let's say you wanted a white text, or then you change it to black and then you make the transparency very light, and then you have something like this that I am aiming for in this particular case. Let's do another one, same principle. Let's do a strawberry. Again, here you can choose from all the pictures you have. Many free options, as you can see. I really love it. There are so many pictures in here. It's really a great program, I have to say. Strawberry fields forever. I removed the background here, so I just have this picture. It's also important if you want to make it very transparent, you don't have anything in the back peeping out. And I have the text. Of course, you can also choose another text, but like for this example here, I'm just taking the same text to make it like uniform or cohesive. So I'm typing strawberry. Let's assume that I have a soap that Smells like strawberry. Then I make it transparent again, and this is another possibility. And then let's do a last one here just to change things up a little bit. We want this one to be a little bit different. Let's make something that is more rustic looking. Let's take like this very natural kind of fabric. Let's see if we find another text that could fit to such a style here, something more plain and eco type. I like this one here, very simple. So I click it, then you have two different titles here. So I'm just changing to handmade soap, and then the title on the bottom I change it to, let's say, fragrance free. Make it a little bigger here, put it to the center, and here we go. And then the last thing to do is, if you want to download it, you just go on this download icon. You make sure that you download the page that you want to. It's going to download, and then you save it to your computer. And you're done. Now let's have a look at how this soap wrapping paper looks in real life. So here is the wrapping paper, and then I just cut it to size with this tool here from We Are Memory Keepers. It's a score and trim board that I absolutely love. Here is this soap wrapping tool that I was talking to you about. I just pop it in. You can also, of course, just wrap it, hand wrap it without the tool, but for the demonstration here I'm gonna use it. It's very practical for people who are not really very practical for packing. And then here is how it turns out at the end. If you're interested to see this particular video on wrapping soap with this tool, I will link it up here in the right hand corner. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're interested in more videos about soap making or skincare DIY, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I hope to see you very soon around here for another video. In the meantime, I wish you a wonderful day. Bye bye!